Slim down naturally with Gourd juice. Gourd juice aids in weight loss and enhances feelings of fullness because it is high in fiber and low in calories. One of the best solutions is to incorporate Gourd juice into your morning routine. Gourd, also known as white petha in India, is a member of the Gourd family. It is well known for its high water content and mild flavor, making it a great component for fresh juice. Why should you drink Gourd first thing in the morning? Gourd juice is quite bland, tasting almost identical to cucumber juice. It is best to consume it uncooked for optimal benefits. On an empty stomach, take a glass of this juice first thing in the morning. It is a wonderful juice for detoxification since it aids in weight loss and the removal of toxins and impurities from our systems. It has great gastric soothing benefits in addition to cleansing. Top 5 amazing health benefits of Gourd juice for weight loss. Weight loss. Gourd juice is high in dietary fiber and low in calories. Because of its high water content, it is also an excellent choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. As we all know, fiber content adds to long-term fullness and contentment. This reduces food cravings and helps to avoid binge eating. Every one of these things contributes to a reduction in total calorie consumption. Nutrient-rich drink. Gourd juice is claimed to be nutrient-rich. It still contains significant levels of niacin, thiamine, vitamin C, and riboflavin. Iron, calcium, phosphorus, zinc, magnesium, copper, and manganese are also present. Prevents skin aging. The health benefits of Gourd juice are linked to its anti-aging properties. The fruit extract is used to manufacture face cream, which may aid to delay the breakdown of skin cells caused by aging. Increases energy. Vitamin B3, which is found in Gourds, increases energy levels. It is thus useful for anyone suffering from anemia and muscular weakness. Diabetes control. Gourd juice has no fat and is low in calories and carbohydrates. Because of its nutritional profile, it may be an excellent choice for diabetics. The fruit pulp contains several components that may contribute to its anti-diabetic properties. When coupled with honey, the dried peel powder of the fruit can help lower blood sugar levels. So, the next time you are wondering how to make your morning more energetic and healthy, try a glass of Gourd juice. It's a simple addition to your daily routine that might do wonders for your health and mind.